Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled garlic Filipino style. First, you'll need about 2 cups of fresh garlic cloves, peeled and ready. Next, we'll prepare a simple pickling solution using white vinegar, granulated sugar, and a touch of salt. Remember, sterilizing your glass jars and lids is a crucial first step to ensure your pickled garlic stays fresh and safe to enjoy for weeks to come. Let's get started. Now that your jars are ready, let's prepare the garlic. Briefly blanch the peeled garlic cloves in boiling water for about 30 seconds. This helps to mellow their strong flavor. Immediately after blanching, transfer the garlic to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and maintain their crispness. Once cooled, carefully pack the garlic cloves tightly into your sterilized jars, leaving a small headspace at the top. Next, we'll create the flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt to this mixture. Gently heat the brine over medium heat, stirring constantly until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Be careful not to boil it vigorously. We just want to ensure everything is well incorporated for a perfect pickling solution. Finally, pour the warm pickling brine over the packed garlic cloves, ensuring they are fully submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles, then seal them tightly with their lids. Let the jars cool completely to room temperature before refrigerating. For the best flavor, allow your pickled garlic to marinate for at least 1 week in the refrigerator before enjoying. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.